Hello everybody, I wanted to try a neat little experiment today, so I dug up my old Dell computer and I want to put this graphics card in it. Okay, so what we're going to need for this, PCI Express power cables. I already got one made up for this particular case, and I got a spare one just in case for that. Number 2 Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver just in case, and I do have the expansion slot covers for this case when I take that card out. So let's dive in. Of course we're going to need a Mountain Dew to get started here. I'm going to start with this case and go ahead and pull my 1070 card out. Actually need to take this bracket off before I can slide it back. There it is. Alright, let's go ahead and remove this too, because I won't be needing it. Set that back here. As you can tell, this Inspiron has seen better days. Okay, I have already upgraded the power supply. And I have 6 gigabytes of memory in this system already. It has a Intel Core 2 Duo E8600. So 3.3 gigahertz speed, and let's go ahead and take this old graphics card out. This graphics card's an Asus, I believe it's a 2600 XT or 2600 Pro Radeon. Worthless. Look at that size comparison there. Okay. Now, our first problem is we can't get it past. Move all my power cables out of the way. Put our locking mechanism. That is a good magnet. Put our screw back in. Now for the fun part. This 8-pin power connector is right where we need to get into. So I have done this before. Just want to throw a disclaimer that none of this hardware I care about except for the 1070, obviously. I mean, even the power button is this. But let's give her a rip. Okay guys, I got it all plugged in down here. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. I don't know what it's going to do. Well guys, it never actually occurred to me to double check my memory installation. So, reseated the memory. Let's give her another go. I don't think Windows likes the current setup. Well, time for more troubleshooting. Well, there you have it. I'm going to double check everything on my computer I made over there. I got this one spit shined up, ready to get back to gaming and mining. So let's go take a look at the other computer again. Okay, I just wanted to end the video saying I had to sell the 1070 today, so I had to remove it from the Dell. I didn't get to perform any testing on it. It did boot up and I did get Windows reinstalled on it, so I made it that far. However, I got a good deal on it, so I decided to sell it. I'll be continuing my mining videos with my 570, and I'll also be continuing to look for other deals regarding computer hardware. And yeah, I guess that'll end the video for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.